new Komatsu Articulated Dump Truck, ADT, is powered by a clean, powerful, and fuel-efficient Komatsu engine. A large color monitor displays every piece of vehicle information and has various perimeter setting functions. Echo Gauge displays real-time fuel consumption rate during operation. In addition, Echo Guidance advises an operator on low fuel consumption for energy-saving operation. A short-nosed front design and a centrally positioned operator's seat inside the cab provides a substantially improved visibility. A newly developed Komatsu Traction Control System, KTCS, is equipped as standard, and it allows you to run through soft grounds comfortably by the acceleration pedal operation only. Advanced technologies contribute to a powerful operation, much more smoothly, much more comfortably. Now let us introduce prominent features of the new Komatsu ADT. The new Komatsu ADT is powered by a clean and powerful new Komatsu engine. Steady drive by a high power-to-weight ratio. The engine gives a high torque at low speed, improves the acceleration, and achieves excellent fuel efficiency. The engine on every new Komatsu ADT is originally developed by Komatsu for construction machinery, and it achieves both high output power and fuel economy to high levels. In addition, the full-time six-wheel drive system, by which the engine output is always delivered to all the six wheels, contribute to an extremely high driving force of the new Komatsu ADT. The newly developed Komatsu Traction Control System, KTCS, is featured as standard for all new Komatsu ADTs. The KTCS's benefits are more evident when climbing an uphill slope which has slippery ground surfaces on one side. Let's see how excellent trafficability and turning performance the KTCS exhibits are in comparison with the conventional differential lock system and the limited slip differential system, one after the other. The differential gear set are commonly used in all types of automobiles, including articulated dump trucks. Its function is to allow the inner and outer drive wheel to rotate at different speeds when turning curves while keeping the driving force transmitted to these wheels. However, if a driving wheel spins on a slippery road surface, the driving force is not transmitted to the wheel on the other side, and the vehicle loses the traction. The differential lock is an effective solution to overcome this situation. The mechanism locks up the differential gears. The wheels on both sides are then forced to rotate at the same speed. That is, the driving force is distributed evenly to the driving wheels on both sides. The vehicle can now get out of the lopsided slippery road surface in a straight ahead direction, with the differential gears locked up. However, it's very hard to turn as the front wheels skid or the turning radius becomes larger than the desired as the rear wheel spin slides like this. In order to turn smoothly without skidding and dragging, the operator must disengage the differential lock. However, this requires a mastery of driving techniques, as the operator must choose the best timing to disengage the differential lock, as well as to correctly select the inner axle differential lock and/or the right-left differential lock. The limited slip differential, LSD, is a device which mechanically limits the differential gear's action when the driving wheel on one side starts spinning and transmit the driving force to both sides without requiring the operator to use any switch and other control device. However, limiting a spin of wheel means limiting the differential gear's action and in turn limiting the turning capability of the truck. In addition, as the drive force has its limits while the LSD is in action, the drive force may become insufficient to successfully turn on a slippery road surface. The Komatsu Traction Control System, KTCS, enables the operator to negotiate soft, slippery road surfaces and steep uphill roads only by operating the accelerator pedal. KTCS can turn the truck towards a desired direction only by turning the steering wheel at any road surfaces. The KTCS calculates the slip ratio of each driving wheel based on the vehicle speed estimated from the acceleration sensor's measurements and the wheel speed measured by the wheel speed sensors located on both wheels of front and front-rear axles. The system controls the inner axle differential lock according to the slip ratios thus detected, and at the same time controls the drive force applied to each driving wheel by using the brakes that work independently on the four wheels. At the time of these controls, the system takes into account the articulation angle derived from the articulation angle sensor in order to keep the steering capability. When compared with models equipped with the differential lock, the new Komatsu ADT with the KTCS shows a superior turning performance on slippery road surfaces. The KTCS automatically controls both the inner axle differential lock and the four brakes without requiring the operator anything other than using the accelerator pedal. It is a system that provides the new Komatsu ADT with an ever unseen level of running through and turning performances. The new Komatsu ADT has a very compact engine compartment, which is realized by splitting the cooling system. As a result, the front nose is significantly shortened and enables the operator to operate the truck much more easily than ever. An optimum fan component's layout contributes to increasing the airflow to the cooling system. The fan is now hydraulically driven, which contributes to lowering the sound level and improving the fuel economy. The field of view through the windshield is balanced between the right and left from the operator's seat, which is placed at the center of the cab. The Y-size cab has a comfortably large space in addition to increased rigidity and improved air tightness. A large capacity vicious cab mounts are employed to reduce vibration and noise and relieves the operator from fatigue. The new Komatsu ADT is equipped with a color rear view monitor. It helps for the operator when checking the conditions at the rear of the truck. An air-suspended operator's seat is equipped as standard. The seat gives a soft feeling to the operator and its position is adjustable forward and backward. The headrest height, seat back angle, and stiffness of the cushion are also adjustable per operator's preference and body size. The passenger seat is adequately wide with a comfortable cushion. The steering column is of a tilting and telescoping design, which allows the operator to adjust the position of the steering wheel as desired. This allows the operator to steer and operate the truck comfortably with minimum fatigue. The new Komatsu ADT uses a hydropneumatic trailing arm type suspension on the front axle. As the axle is kept pulled by the trailing arm from the front, this suspension can faithfully follow road surface irregularities and effectively absorb upthrust impact from road bumps. For the rear axles, a suspension system with trailing arms and equalizer bar is used. The rear axle has a hydropneumatic suspension, which is the same type as the front axle, and the front rear axle has laminated rubber blocks. All of them are installed to the frame via the equalizer bar. The trailing arms and the equalizer bar that swing following the changes of the road surface conditions can keep all wheel tires in contact with the road surface, and the hydropneumatic suspension elements and the laminated rubber blocks attenuate the upthrust of impact from bumps on the road surface. The excellent shock-absorbing performance achieved by the optimized arrangement of the front and rear suspension assures a very comfortable ride with minimum pitching. The dump body control uses an electronic system. The raising and lowering operation is possible by a light one-touch operation. The lever automatically returns to the neutral position after each movement. In addition, the system slows down the dump body lowering speed to reduce the shock at the time of bottoming out. The machine monitor consists of a meter unit, a large color monitor, a switch panel, and an LED indicator. The meter unit is a combination of a speedometer and a tachometer. A 7-inch TFT liquid crystal display is used for the large color monitor. The color monitor can display various kinds of information, such as maintenance relations information, operation records, and echo guidance records. The operator can make entries from the switch panel for various perimeter settings and selections, such as air conditioning settings, screen selections on a large color monitor, and other settings using the menu displayed on the panel. The echo gauge is a function which shows the instantaneous fuel consumption on a real-time basis during operation. It enables to operate in a fuel-efficient manner by keeping it in the green zone. The echo guidance function displays advices for energy-saving operation with minimal fuel consumption. The hitch height of the new Komatsu ADT is raised compared to the Dash 2 models. This improves trafficability and maintainability. Maintenance personnel can access any filter from the ground. This significantly facilitates maintenance of the machine. The engine hood is made of plastic and can be fully opened. A power cab tilting system is available as an option for further service convenience. As the cab can be tilted readily, inspection and maintenance operations on the engine and transmission components are much easier than ever. The new Komatsu articulated dump truck is fuel efficient, quiet, and powerful, and it has outstanding stability. Comfortable running on a soft ground is achieved by industry-first traction control system KTCS. The new Komatsu articulated dump truck enables you to perform operations much more smoothly and comfortably.